In this video, I'm gonna show you very easy, soft glam look. I'm gonna use matte color, only one eyeshadow. It will be very easy. It's perfect for a beautiful like picture day or for like evening look. It's such a classy and elegant look. First step, always eyeshadow primer. I'm using brand MAC because it's always creamy and rich, and I apply on entire my eyelid. Today we're gonna use this beautiful palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're gonna use this first color right here. This is matte color, and I'm gonna apply on the corner of my eyes and pushing up to my circle area. Again, it's a matte color. It will look very soft and natural. First color is done. Then we're gonna use this color. I believe it's a burnt orange, again matte color. It's slightly a little bit brighter than the previous color we used. Now I have with you two color, lighter, little bit darker, and we're gonna go a little bit more darker again. Like 1, 2, 3 darker, and last one is gonna be a little bit even more darker. Will be our third color, and again I'm using same brush. It's small tiny brush. I love this brush. I will list it name for this brand. Now you can see lighter, little bit darker, more darker. 3 colors we have so far with you, and let's start blending. Blending it's very important in this technique. Let's use this darker color for the crease. This darker color we're gonna apply close to lashes, and we're making like a small letter C and pushing to a circle area. Also, this darker color I trying to start pushing up close to my eyebrows. This will look very smoky, soft eye look. And now I'm gonna use big blending brush, and what I'm gonna do, just blend all color together. Now I'm gonna use brown eyeliner on my waterline. Now with small angle brush, tiny brush, I'm gonna use this darker color, and I'm gonna use underneath of my lashes. And what I do, I just press. I hope you like this technique. Please comment below. And now let's just blend underneath and make this eyeshadow a little bit more softer. For this look, I do like to use a small tiny brush. This is actually from Laura Mercier, I think liquid eyeliner, or just for eyeliner, but we're gonna use this close to my eyebrow. I really wanna lift my eyebrow, and I'm gonna apply lighter color close to my eyebrow. Okay, we use all matte. Now it's time for shimmer. Colors look so beautiful, and put a little bit more shimmer under my brow. Time to put eyeliner and lashes. I love this eye look. It's so classy and elegant. Yes, it's time for eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna use Chanel. Not gonna make any crazy eyeliner. Very small steps close to my lashes. Press, 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 press. My eyeliner looks great. Nothing crazy, nothing big. Very classy. Last step, it's mascara, and I'm using Lancome Idol mascara. It's a good separation. And of course, we're gonna use in the bottom. My eye looks spectacular. It's perfect makeup for everyone, and of course I am 43. This looks amazing on me. Please subscribe again. It's a beautiful soap glam eye look I create for you because I really like it. Okay, happy holidays everybody, and enjoy this look.